Very difficult job that he has in there, but you can see that Aspen is looking at the referee saying, what the hell? Listen, you know, congratulations to Jermaine and commiserations to Aspen.
Well, we'll be talking about this on Monday morning, but we'll also be talking about the return of Uriah Faber. What a night from Sacramento for Michael Bisping and our crew. I'm Brendan Fitzgerald.
This October on National Geographic Network, we take you across Europe's most iconic locations, where traditions and engineering breakthroughs continue to shape this continent. Get inspired by these courageous young girls and women who dared to aim higher. Join us for an intimate reptilian experience as we celebrate this diverse yet endangered species. All new this October on National Geographic Network.
We move to Valamar for one of the most important trail running races in the world, the Valamar Trail 2019. The Valamar Trail is one of the few trail races in Croatia certified by the ITRA, carrying UTMB and ITRA points. This trail run is a candidate to become one of the 10 races that are part of the Outdoor Race World Tour Series, further strengthening its position on the World Trail and Adventure Racing map. This year, more than 450 recreational and professional runners from 14 different countries decided to test their strength and endurance in Rabat. With the choice of 3 different distances, each route was lined with fans who were there to offer their support and encouragement to the brave runners. The Royal Red Course tested every skill of the runners. The route took the competitors along narrow single tracks, along cliffs where co-steering was required, through deep forests, up the highest, rockiest and steepest hills, and through beautiful medieval towns with their stunning vistas. This year, the good weather conditions helped the runners along the challenging route and helped the top athletes achieve their desired results. The best on the most challenging course, Red, which was 61.1 kilometres long, were Anders Angard Hansen from Denmark in the men's category and Ines Josic from Croatia in the women's race.
After a thrilling race weekend, switch gears with me and my crew to recap all the pivotal moments and talking points from the chaotic world of motorcycle racing.
You have never seen anything like it in your life. It's showtime.
2 Wheels on Fox Sports.